Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this consultation video series. We're going to walk you through all kinds of homeowners across North America who've taken advantage of our free consultation, where we're going to walk you through all kinds of different tips and tools and tricks to go and effectively light your home with landscape lighting. So to get your own free video consultation, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and I'm going to get back to you with your own customized video presentation. Or go check us out at lightingdoctor.ca or watch more of our great videos on how to install landscape lighting on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoy. So the other light that we recommend all the time, and you find all the time in our do-it-yourself kits on our website, is it's again from FX Luminaire, because it is one of the most quality path lights that we've come across, is the PL path light from FX Luminaire. So it's a really simple, really sleek design. The reason we like it, again, is it's a really well-built, quality fixture. And again, when you order it, you can feel the actual quality of that fixture and how sturdy and durable this is. You're not going to break this with a shovel or a lawnmower or anything like that. It is easily one of the most durable ones on the market. Every light comes with an 8-inch ground stake, so it gives you a ton of durability to get that in the ground. And really keep that upright so it doesn't get knocked over. Every light comes with LED drop-in bulb already pre-installed. Again, it's that 2700 Kelvin temperature, that warm white color that you're used to seeing. 170 lumens, so it's plenty bright on a 12-inch riser. So usually you can space these out anywhere from 8 to 12 feet. The darker the area is, the more further you can space them out. If you're on stairs and stuff, you want to space them a little bit closer just to make sure that you're getting enough light so there's not a tripping hazard or anything. But it's easily, again, one of our favorite lights to use. It's super durable. You can get this as a try it before you buy a light that comes with the Insta-Light from King Innovation, so you can actually go and test it out on your property as well. Okay, so on this project we're using Uplights and path lights, and what we've done is we've just chosen to use 3 path lights on this rock stepway here, and we've basically got one back there, we've got one here, and then we've got one over there. So we just kind of put them on both sides. We don't need a whole ton. We've spaced them about 12 to 15 feet apart, and that's going to give us plenty of light just to make sure that these steps are well lit, and that we're really featuring and focusing these nice rock features that they've put in place here. Hey guys, so the final light that we've chosen in this project is we're using some path lights. As you can see along me, there's a few of them, but we've got them spread out pretty sparsely. I mean, they're roughly about 15 feet. That'll cast lots of light, because what we're using this for is we have a nice retaining rock wall here, and usually I like to use like an undercap light, but because this has already been built and this is kind of an afterthought, without having to rip up the rock wall, we got to find a different way to do that. So we're going to use some path lights to kind of do 2 things. One, it's going to light the garden up a little bit, but then the light's going to kind of cascade over the rock wall. It's going to light this pathway in between the garage and the beds, as well as throw some light down on the wall. We've only got 3 in this long stretch of area, so again, you don't need to have tons of lights. You just gotta place them properly and make the best use. And it's always better off to start with fewer lights, see how it looks, and then you can add on down the road. So that's why we use path lights, and mainly for this reason in this application. So again, fun project with some path lights, some uplights, and some wash lights, all using them a little bit differently. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools on how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video just like that one, send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.